Welcome back to another edition of Juicing with Jay. Before I go any further, guys, please do me a huge favor and hit that like, share, and subscribe button so that you can know every time that a video drop. So I want to thank everybody who came in on the live this morning. A couple of things have changed since the live. As you guys know, I was harvesting lemons and the harvest didn't go as planned, just because the lemons were not up to standard of what I would normally send out or ship out. So this is one of the lemons that I harvested earlier, and it's kind of soft already. And if I cut it open, it'll be seeds in there. So I don't want to send this out. I want to send you guys the premium, the best that I have for my garden. I don't want to send you, this is pretty much considered the last harvest. This is pretty much considered the last harvest, and I don't want to send that. So this is more for, like, you know, local people who come to the house or family members who just want to take it and juice it immediately. So another thing that I had to change, so this is the size of the lemon, and this is pretty much the average size of the dragon fruits that I harvested within the last, like, this morning and yesterday. So this is what they look like. I didn't want to just have the lemon. I didn't just want to have the dragon fruit inside of a big old box. So I had to find a different way to ship it. My intentions was to ship it in one of these boxes and fill it up with lemons. This is, this was supposed to be a medium box, but this is actually a large box. So after the live, I ended up having to go out and look for some boxes. So I ended up finding these boxes at Staples, and I bought enough for all the winners of the dragon fruit. So be on the lookout for these boxes. Probably not gonna go out today because I have to put everything together. They'll probably go out on Monday, so expect them to be coming to the winners around, if it's Monday, Tuesday, so either Wednesday or Thursday. I'm still gonna try to ship it out priority. These will still be good. It doesn't by the time where they get to you anyway, but I usually try to ship everything priority. I don't know what it's gonna look like just because it's not in a priority box. So that's pretty much the update with that. So now that that's out the way, today is like a very hot day, and while I was out looking for the boxes, we came across this new boba shop, and they were happy to have a sale, buy one, get one free. So me and Sierra hopped out and we went to go get some bobas. Grand opening, it was a very good deal. The place was packed out. So we grabbed a couple of bobas, and it was a great experience. The bobas are off the hook. They're growing pretty fast in Southern California area. This one was in Lakewood. If you're into boba in the Southern California area, I had my nephew to go and pick up this particular food item, which was called puzzle pizza. And he went down there. I told him, hey, just shoot some videos from the outside and let my viewers get an experience of that. So he brought that home to me, and when I got home from work, that pizza was ready. Very delicious pizza. So if you're in the Southern California area and you're looking for some fire pizza, check out Puzzle Pizza. And also, man, this is like one of the best pizzas I've ever tasted, but I'll let the video show you for yourself. I wish you guys had smell-o-vision. But, you know, we have one life to live, guys. Puzzle Pizza, so I had a selection of many different pizzas. So I had a veggie pizza, a cheese pizza, you know, just different slices of this Chicago style pizza, which was very delicious. But anyway, that's just a little bit of what's been going on in the last couple of days. And once again, thank you guys for coming in on the live this morning. You know, I don't do a lot of lives, so it was popping this morning. I want to thank each and every member that came in. So these are just a couple of updates. Like I said, just to recap, look out for those boxes starting maybe Wednesday or Thursday, those boxes should be popping up. So make sure that you check your P.O. box or wherever the address is that you have me to send those boxes. You know the motto on the page, each one teach one, juicing with Jay, and I will definitely see you on the next video. Peace.